The teacher is the key to the success of homeschooling. In most cases, the teacher is a parent or a close relative. In some cases, parents may divide the subjects between them. Rarely, if both parents are busy, they may hire a homeschool teacher. Whatever the case, children need time with their parents. Parents, as a rule, make very good teachers. Teaching does not involve a clinical presentation of facts. Learning has to be integrated lovingly into daily life for it to interest the child. That is where parents come in. Grandparents also make great teachers, especially since they have an abundance of patience. If you feel anxious about your skills or knowledge, relax. There are countless homeschooling resources that are aimed at helping you. Professional curriculum packages, support groups, online help desks, virtual schools, and library resources are all available. When you start out, you may want to make use of the commercial curriculum packages. Ready-made software also allows you to record and log important achievements. Local support groups are an excellent source of help, ideas, and material. This is where you get to meet experienced homeschoolers, who will be more than happy to offer their insight and advice. Once you settle into the homeschooling routine, you will find yourself tailoring the curriculum to suit your own needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.